This is what we've been waiting for. Tonight, we gather for the first time as one big Bicol University family in more than 2 years here at the sports complex to bring back the much-awaited Sports Fest and the traditional and well-loved HATAW.
Sarong bangining dakulang paglaom, sarong bangining dakulang kaugmaan, dahil pipailing giraray kambiyo ang sayang liderato sa tuyang komunidad. Ang HATAW po, sarong inspirasyon bako sa na para sa albay, kundi para sa bilog na komunidad ta. Pipailing ta that we can work together. Number 2, we can do more if we work together.
I feel happy and energized, and I share this energy and enthusiasm with you because you have once again proven that when we stand as one Bicol University community, we are able to thrive under any and all kinds of given weather. We have continuously shown our readiness to meet and evolve to this new normal. We have proven time and again that we have what it takes to ensure the holistic formation of our students beyond the classroom and into the competitive world of intercollegiate sports festival. So without further ado, because I know you are all so excited for the events that were set to happen tonight in the next few days, I now officially declare the Bicol University Olympics open.
Kaya po yan po ako digditang ipahiling ang sakuyan dakulang pagsuporta sa Bicol University. Ang utan na bot ko sa bio, simple, you inspire me.